It's a good one today. I've just seen 4 F-15s. They're about to come into land. We're just about to pull into the viewing area. Oh, I hope you can hear me over the wind. Yeah, we're just about to pull into the viewing area. You're going to see at least 3 of them. Yeah, it's going to be a good one. I'm so excited. Every time goes on the fence. You can see it though, can't you? There we go. Perfect. Right, so we're about to have 2 F-35s come into land now. It's been good so far. We've had some very good aircraft. Right, here we go. Let's see what we've got. Alright guys, here we go. First F-35 lining up with the runway. See the second one in the background there. Sounding beautiful. Going on the fence. Oh gosh, there's another one. Right, we've got some more arrivals now. This is brilliant. This is now the 4th one. Seven F-35s. This is now the 5th one coming into. Decided to land. Right, this is 7th, I think. Either that or that one was the first and this is the 2nd. You lose count actually. That is nice. They're the same ones, I think. Got 2 more up there, guys. Oh no, they're different, they're F-15s! Just decided to come here as well. One just goes banking off. That's stunning. 3 F-35s up there. This is brilliant! Oh my gosh! Woo! There you go. Oh, I love that noise. Look at that poof. This is brilliant. Oh my gosh, the police have even decided to show up. Second F-15. Where did these lads come from?
The sky's full of them.
Oh my lord. There's 2 more F-15s over there. Oh my gosh, this is brilliant.
I don't know which one to follow.
Go. It's an F-35. They sound amazing even when they're landing.
They're going to take off again, don't they? Even again.
Right, now we've got a bit of chill for a second. This is brilliant. Right, I can hear some. I know, they're just appearing out of nowhere. What's this one going to be? This one's an F-35. What's it going to be? Oh my lord. Got an F-15 this time. Oh, I love it. Woo. There goes an F-35 at the same time. I think that's the last aircraft. Oh no, I lied. That's the F-35. Here we go. This is an F-35 as well.
Oh, it's not focusing. I hope that looks good.
No, there's 2 more over there.
Where are they all coming from? This is insane. I love this.
When I say I'm going to Lakenheath, this is what this is what I'm going to expect every time now. We've got something landing now. It's an F-35.
There we go. And we've still got more. There we go. F-35. That's a nice touchdown, that one.
I think there's still one more.
There's still more, yeah. That's not it.
That's the one?
Yeah, I think so. Unless another one's just going to spawn out of nowhere again.
Just kept coming, didn't
This
they?
is brilliant, guys.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Goodness me.
Oh my days, now I can hear something taxiing.
Unless that's those ones going
Are you
back, is
seeing
it?
what I'm seeing? I'm seeing an F-15. also hearing another. Oh no. We're going to be here for absolutely donkey's years at this rate.
Well, I thought there was still one over there.
No, there is. And I can hear stuff taxiing about. It's never ending, this. How many were up then? Because I could only see 6 on flight radar. Yep, same.
They just get caught.
Because they go around and you're just like, which one's this? Here we go, F-15. Also just appeared out of the blue. Oh my god!
That can show that. That can absolute show.
Oh my god! This is absolute madness. They're never going to stop, I don't think. Look at that. Wow, these planes are never going to stop. Oh, this is brilliant stuff.
What a good day to come, eh? Go ape and then airplanes.
It's brilliant stuff. We just had 2 more F-15s appear out of the blue. I didn't see them before. One of them just landed and then, as you saw, one of them just came overhead as well. And I can definitely hear stuff taxiing and starting their engines, so we might see a few takeoffs as well. Oh my god.
Oh, there's 2 in the air.
Well, 2 F-35s are flying overhead.
Here you go, F-15. Or maybe he is. Yeah, he's landing. There we go, up there as well. This is an absolute show. They're never going to stop. I want to do that one day. There's a spoiler, I'm going to move my hands. I'm doing that one day. Can you imagine if that's me? If you're stood here in the viewing area watching me and I'm like, hi Nan. Guys, this is absolutely beautiful.
Oh my days.
Oh my gosh! Did you just see what he did? That was a very sharp turn. He'd be pulling some G in that. Gosh.
One.
He's not landing. He's going back up. Time one of these boys touched down. There we go. You are joking. Another one.
2.
2.
One further over. Unless that's the one that went round.
Is there one about to taxi past us? That's really loud.
Really close, wasn't it?
Gosh, I don't really know where to point my phone now. Jesus, that's insane. He's landing, guys. And
Still 2 more.
it sounds so beautiful. They're going to drag them out as well, aren't they? They'll drag them out if they're the last 2. Brilliant. We've just walked down the lane a little bit further and we've seen this F-35 sat there with its engines on, waiting to go on the runway. So it should be on pretty soon, unless there's even more coming, which is quite unlikely. But this is amazing. We've got Nan with us.
But yeah, it's brilliant. Oh my lord. Alright guys, this has been absolutely brilliant. We might wait for these two to take off depending on how long they're going to take. But it does depend on timing because we've got to get to the lads that are shooting.
Yes.
That sounds proper dodgy, doesn't it? But anyway, we've got to go see them. Yeah. Depending on how long these guys are going to take off, we might see them, might not. But either way, we'll probably see them from where the lads are shooting. But yeah, it's 2 F-35s. I've got no F-15s taking off. However, I did see 5 take off earlier when I wasn't here. But yeah, it's been great. It's been a great spotting. And if you haven't come to Lakenheath to spot any time before, I do recommend it. It's brilliant here, but it's a bit unpredictable, so you have to get the right trackers on your phones, right tracking apps. It'd be good. But I can just hear them now. They're just taxiing onto the runway, so you might see them soon. It'll take about 2 minutes to take off now. We should see them. I'm just gonna edit them in to the end of the video. Right, let's see these guys take off now. It's the end. There we go. Joking. There's 2 lads there now, sat in F-15s now, look. Oh. Okay. Alright guys, I think that is it. We've just seen 2 F-15s as well. They're just sat there. They'll probably take another 20 minutes to go up, so we're probably not going to wait for them. We have definitely seen enough though. It has been absolutely brilliant. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Woo!